Hello, I am Dr. Neeraj Gupta, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering and Application. I would like to explain how you use Oracle SQL Live to do the hands-on experience. So for this, what actually the Oracle SQL Live is? So Oracle SQL Live is a cloud-based services that provides access to an Oracle latest version. Live SQL is especially useful for learning to program Oracle database using structured query language and PLSQL, procedural language. So how we do this? So for this, first of all, we have to search Oracle SQL Live and then click on the Oracle SQL Live in Google. Now we get this interface. In this interface, first of all, we must have the Oracle ID, user ID. If we have not created the user ID, then we have to create the user ID. So click on the sign in. Now you get this interface in which first of all you have to create an account. So click on the create account and then fill all the details required for creation of this ID, user ID. In this you have to fill the email ID which is provided to you by the GLA University so that we can evaluate your practicals. Now you create this. So once you create this, you can log in through the page, sign up page. I am already having my ID, so I am just signing in. So click on the sign in. You got the interface of Oracle SQL Live, which is a RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, in which you can run the structured query language queries. So we get this interface through which we have signed in already. Now we click on the start coding now. So when we do this, we get an interface in which we can write the query, SQL worksheet, and left side we have so many tabs like home, SQL worksheet, my session, schema, lot other things. So we can create our database here, and one thing is very important, this we can run on the laptop, desktop, or even on the mobile phones. It works very fine. Okay, so here you can create your write your queries and run the result. So I'm just creating a table. So you have to write the create table query. Suppose create table student and roll number integer and name varchar 20. So when we run this, so some missing parentheses there. When we run this, the table is created. Okay, so through this we can run our database queries on this platform. Okay, so I think you understand how we do the login in this and how we run the queries. Thank you all.